welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of alopecia. It's a 60 days process, but I'm going to go through 2 weeks, which is 14 days with you guys. So I'm going to show you the whole 14 days. So today is day 1. Okay, so let's start the journey. Okay, so here I have 2 pieces of aloe vera. That's all I'm using. Split it down the middle, and we're trying to get the gel off this aloe vera skin because it's the gel we're going to use, okay, to perform our miracle. And you know that aloe vera plant is very rich in all types of vitamin, right? And it's actually good for everything. You know, my alopecia is not that big, but so I don't have to use a lot of aloe vera. All I need is just 2 small pieces. Very slippery. It is very slippery. Hopefully I don't have to use any more now. Hopefully I don't need any more. Yeah. Then we're going to use the fork, and I'm going to try to get rid of some of the lumps that is in it. See, I don't need a lot of aloe vera now. I know this can work wonders for me. Okay, let's go. The aloe vera gel, it acts as a stimulant which increase the blood to circulate in the scalp, which promotes the hair to grow. Okay, so let's start. Okay, put it on this one. And you need to massage it in the scalp. Massage it onto the scalp. Alright, so we're massaging it onto the scalp. Ooh, oh my god, you know it's cold. So I think that's everything. So guys, while you massage it into your scalp, you're gonna leave it for about 20 minutes, right, to let it work. So you leave it for 20 minutes, and then you can rinse it off when the 20 minutes is up. So you're gonna leave it for 20 minutes, and then you can rinse it out after the 20 minutes is up. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Oh my god. Okay guys, so here I just finished rinsing it out, right? And I can actually see results already. Ha. It's working so fast. So, guys, I will see you tomorrow on day 2, right? I hope this has been help. I hope this has been a big help to you guys. So please like and subscribe, okay?